Hi, and welcome to the Castaway Kitchen. Today we're going to be making my veggie keto buns. First, we're going to start with 5 large eggs. Crack them into your blender. Add in 1 cup of packed spinach. You can add a little extra or use kale if you like. Close the lid and blend until smooth. If you don't have a high-powered blender, this might take a little longer. Open the lid, add in the dry ingredients. 1/3 cup coconut flour, half a teaspoon of fine salt, half a teaspoon of baking soda, and half a teaspoon of garlic powder. Lastly, add in a 1/4 cup of coconut oil. You can also use grass-fed butter, ghee, lard, any saturated fat will do. You know your saturated fats, they're the ones that become solid at room temperature. Pop the lid back on and blend until smooth. It will be a thick batter or dough that will form in your blender. If your mix remains very liquid, you might need a little bit more coconut flour. The density of these grain-free flours varies from brand to brand. Use a spatula and scrape the dough out into a bowl. I like to use a large scoop to create 3 even-sized buns, and you can top with sesame seeds or everything but the bagel seasoning. Bake at 400 degrees for 25 minutes. Let them cool, and then you can slice them open and load them up with your favorite keto paleo foods. Get the full recipe at thecastaway.kitchen.com.